aboard.
Hi guys, good morning. 6 a.m. and I'm currently here at Sydney Domestic Airport catching not so early not so early flight. Nantok pa ako. So yeah, today guys I'm going to Melbourne, pero uwian din. Babalik din ako mamaya. So today I'm catching a 7 a.m. flight and nandito na ako sa Terminal 2 departure and waiting for my boarding. This is work related, so I don't have anything to show you for this trip. Ano lang naman to maghapon. Pero mamaya pag may time pa, pag maaga kaming natapos, then siguro makapag side trip doon. Ayun. Pero yun nga, pauwi din ako mamaya. So, limited lang talaga yung time ko. Babalik na lang siguro ako sa Melbourne after ilang months pag na-plan na namin ni Ren. Kasi we're planning naman talaga to go to Melbourne. And I didn't expect ko lang na magkakaroon ako ng trip for this month. Biglaan lang. Ayun. So yeah, first time ko guys sa Melbourne and first time to travel domestic by plane. Kasi yung first interstate ko was when Ren and I went to Canberra for our medical. Yan. At least diba nakarating ng Melbourne ng walang masyadong gastos. Kasi libre yung ticket. Nag-book lang kami ni Ren ng hotel malapit dito kasi nga 7 a.m. yung flight ko. And masyadong hassle kung magmumula pa ako sa Rooty Hill. And by the way guys, it's Ren's birthday pala today. Ayan. Kaya lang wala ako. Nasa work ako. Ayan, kailangan ko magpunta ng Melbourne today. Pero kahapon, nag-advance dinner na kami. So kahapon nag-celebrate na kami ng birthday niya in advance. And today, naka-leave naman siya. Kasi birthday leave yun. Enjoy niya yung buong araw na solo niya. Kasi wala naman ako. See you guys! See you later. Pagpa-uwi na ako.
Welcome aboard. To keep the aisle and exits clear, your smaller bags and heavier items go under.
ko lang yung isang colleague ko from other store. Kasi magkalapit lang kami ng tinitirhan. Yan. I'm from Ruby Hill and she's from Lambton. So, sabay kaming uuwi. Kasi sa Ruby Hill din siya. Saan na kaya yun? Okay guys, time to go home. It's been a long day, so it's literally one day in Melbourne. Yeah.
My sister-in-law knows her.
Really?
Yeah. She's touching your back.
Oh, tell her thank you, thank you.
My sister-in-law.
Yeah, what's her name? Maybe I can shout out.
Her mom, maybe. Tess.
Tess. Hi, Ate Tess. Thank you for watching my vlog.